Find out the most important secret all the gurus will never tell you. These gurus, what do they know? The following video changed the way I'm marketing online.
Affiliate marketing for my business. Hi, my name is Bill Morrow, and if you're watching this video, you're probably searching for internet marketing, working from home, making your business online, any of these things. And I can tell you now, you've come to exactly the right place. Because I have found, after 9 years of searching online, I have found the best system that I have in all of that time. So sit back and listen to what I've got to say, because it will blow your mind. Well, probably not quite, but it's exactly what you've been looking for. You want to start a business online, you want to make funds, all of this sort of thing. Excellent. This is exactly the place. So, as I said, I have been over 9 years searching for this, and now I have found it. Now, the three main things when you come on to find this system is to make a business online. First of all, you need the affiliate marketing is by far the best device to work on. It is e-commerce and Amazon and all these other things. Yes, they will get you funds in the end, but this is by far, affiliate marketing is the best and easiest way to make your online business. And using this system, so affiliate marketing 1, setting it up and having your system virtually run on its own. Automation sets in, and that's exactly what you get. Now, the third feature that we have here is the system. So, having tried all the various bits and pieces, as I said, over 9 years, now I've come and found this one piece which really does do what it says. It's exactly the sort of thing that you were looking for. You want to set it up, and all you do is, the whole thing is in video form, so you watch a video, you carry out the instructions on that video, and then you move on to the next video. And then by the time you've reached the end, you have a business. Your online business is set up and is working. And that's exactly the way it is. Now, you have to get in there. We have to have, first of all, a system. We have to have a computer. And then we have to have the will to be able to complete the job. Because nothing comes automatic. Nothing happens on its own. You have to work, and if you're talking about setting up a business, it doesn't matter what every Tom, Dick and Harry tells you out there, a business has to be worked on. I have done many businesses through my life. As you go through life, various things change. I've run a shop, I've run electronics businesses, I've run all sorts of repair businesses, all sorts of things, and eventually I've come down to internet marketing, because it's the easiest. Yes. Now, you can set it up and you can have it virtually running on its own. So this is what I have for you, those three things. So all I want you to do now is click on the link below and you'll get onto my list. And when you're on the list, you will get an additional 4 days of information which will tell you more benefits and everything else about this system. So there is more information coming on that. So that's exactly what I want you to do. So click on the link and you then know that you're on the right road to success. and I can guarantee that. And I will stay with you all the time, and we will be in contact through email. No, I won't be knocking on your door. It'll be through email. And then you can ask me what you want. If you have a query, you're not feeling that you're getting anywhere, that's what I'm here for. I will help you to push your way to get you to success, your success. So click on the link below and we'll get started. Talk to you later.
The only difference between the winners and the losers in life is one simple thing: the willingness to take massive action. You have that opportunity here today.